So Sam and I have been decorating for Christmas and everything looks beautiful, but there's this one spot on our wall that just, there's one spot on our wall that just is begging to have a sign. So instead of buying one, we're gonna fashion our own, because I kind of know how to do that stuff. I'm not sure I do. So we are going to make a Christmas sign to hang up, and we already have all this beautiful garland and lights, and Sam hung up mistletoe. So this is gonna fit perfectly right there, we hope. I haven't measured it, but it's gonna be fine. So,
all right, we've got our board, our inspiration, the laptop with the Cricut program on it, a drill, the Cricut machine itself, and the paints and brushes.
so actually, this shelf behind me it has the second shelf that I had made, and it doesn't fit anywhere in our house. So what I'm going to do is take that shelf, take the, I guess the legs off of it, or I guess they're not legs. Yeah, I'm going to take the little brackets off, and then probably on the side that I didn't do the screws, I'm going to create a stencil and put that on top of there. It's going to be, I won't tell you what it's going to say yet. So I'm going to start with making the stencil. I usually just look through Pinterest or something online of, you know, a sign that you would normally want to buy. And then you just figure out what part of it you like. So is it that you like the colors of it? Do you like the lettering, the way it's laid out? I have one that I really like, and for me, I like the lettering of it. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now, is just looking at the picture and then looking at how I can match it the closest possible. You're never gonna get it like exactly unless you want to obsess about it forever and ever. But I always just try to find something that's the closest to it and then just make it my own so that it's a little bit more unique. I'll paint that on there with the stencil, and then you just peel the stencil off, and then I'll have to do some fine tuning, and then we'll put brackets on it again so we can hang it up, and then that will